Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Instagram on Huawei Nova 13. Let's begin. Now you can just download it using normal app gallery, though as you can see, downloading basically anything from here is provided by a third-party application, and some people say that it's not very safe. So instead, we'll use Gspace. And if you don't know what Gspace is, you can just watch a tutorial. I think it's called How to Install Google Play Store on Huawei Nova 13, of course. And in there, I go in detail on how to actually download it, how to download it, how to use it, and how to use Google Play Store, as it is not normally available on your phone, on your Huawei phone. So after the Google Play Store is opened, we simply want to search for Instagram and then hit install. And after a while, it should install our Instagram. And installing, as you can see, it is now done. We can simply hit open, and now our Instagram installed official way, well, semi-official way, is now on our phone. Except it isn't, because as you can see, it is not really an Instagram app. It's still a Gspace, which hosts something similar to Instagram, basically a copy of it, but from our cloud. Because as you can see, even if I try to go here and search for basically anything, as you can see, there is no Instagram currently installed on our device, especially as a standalone application, but you can just use it via Gspace. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.